Hello and welcome back to So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. My name is Mandy and I want to thank you for coming back today. Um, Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a scarf. I've chose this yarn here. This is something totally different than from what I normally been crocheting with. You can see it's way thicker. So the yarn is actually this, and I got this from Walmart. You can see that it's 3.5 ounces of yarn. The coloring, I think I almost ripped it when I opened it, which is royal blue. My grandson seen that I had made a scarf before and he wanted one, so I went and I figured out how many stitches it was going to take for an inch, and figured out that I did like 3 stitches in an inch, and he needs 50 inches. So I got to chain 150. I chose the L, the 8mm crocheting hook, and we're just going to start this normally, but I think I'm going to do a 1.5 crochet for this instead of a double crochet. I think it might look a little bit better. I already got it all in a ball. It doesn't go in a ball very well. It's kind of like falling apart on me. So we'll just work with it. This is a much thicker yarn. It's almost like a rug yarn, and it doesn't pull very well, I've noticed. So we're just going to chain like we normally would. See, I've got my, just going to chain. It's going to be 150, so 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I get my 150. Alrighty, I have got my 50 chains, and you can see it looks really nice. Like I said, we're just going to do the 1.5 crochet. This is going to be a really warm scarf, so we're just going to turn it like normal, and with a double crochet you always crochet 2, 1, 2, and then you got to find, I guess I need to be where you can see me, right? Not me see. Find your second one from the hook, and you're going to wrap it, stick it in, wrap it, and with the 1.5 crochet you pull it all the way through. I figured this is going to be a lot faster. It's going to be really warm. This is a warm material, and it's just like that. Now I'm going to go through and do this whole thing, and hopefully the pause button will stay paused while I do this whole thing in the 1.5 crochet. I really don't want this video to be all that long, but and I want you to be able to see how I turn it and how it's going to look. All right. Okay, I don't have it done yet, but I wanted to show you how pretty this is going to look. You can see. I still got a ways to go, but I'm going to pause it again and try and get this finished so I can show you how we do the turnaround on this beautiful 1.5 crochet scarf. Alright, that took me a minute, but I got it, and I am at the very end. I got one more stitch for my 1.5 crochet. Whoa, and I've had that happen where they've been coming off of the hook because the yarn is so big, and the needle is quite big itself too. But I wish you guys could feel this. Oh, it's gonna be warm. So we just do it just like we do everything. We're gonna turn it, and I don't think I'm gonna put any frills or fringes or anything on this. So we got to make sure that it's even at the ends, because sometimes if it's a little uneven, a little drop a stitch, add a stitch, you can hide it with the fringes or whatever. But I'm not going to be on this, going to put on this one. So we're going to do our chain 2 and go into our, not this one. See, this is just like the smaller, but this is like a bigger stitch. So we're going to go into this one. I can get in between there, grab it, stick her through, grab it, pull it back through, do that again because it dropped off my hook, and pulling it back through, and then with our 1.5 double, we just pull it through, and I've been having to make it come through. Yeah, there we go. This is actually going to be a very nice scarf for him. Just going into the very next stitch again. I think I should have this scarf done within the next about 4 days or so. I'm working on another project. I do homeschool in the mornings, and I do have this week off work, so I should have it done hopefully. And when I do get it done, when I put a video on, I will make sure that I show you this beautiful scarf, and I just love that stitch. It's almost a rope effect. So if you like my little videos, hit that like button. Subscribe if you hadn't subscribed so you can see the finished product. If you have any comments, any suggestions, or if you're working on something and you want to show it to me, I'll be more than happy to look at it because I love looking at what other people are doing. But if you like it, like this little video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, and I will be making sure when I do get this scarf done that I will be putting it on there. And keep a lookout for some other videos that I have out there. I will soon be doing a few sewing videos, and I do have some Bible videos out there if you're interested in them. Keep a lookout for those too. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. Show me what you're working on. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, and happy crocheting.